Yo, morning guys. All right, down here in South Florida, it is brisk right now. I mean, yesterday I was, dripping sweat, super hot day, completely flip-flopped, but at least it's not raining, but definitely pretty cold today. And yeah, we're gonna be skating here for a little bit, warming up, and then after we have a book signing at CFL, Central Florida Skatepark. So I'm gonna be heading up there, another 3-hour drive. Definitely been taking its toll on my back, my knees. I'm not the man I used to be. Back when I did the 50 states challenge every single day, driving state to state, I guess all those years off, I don't know what it is, but these drives are wearing on me. Yeah, I got some good news. The skate park that I've been trying to petition to get redone for years and years and years, I mean, maybe it's been basically since I got sober and started my YouTube channel, that was like the first video I made basically, was, trying to get new skate parks built and get that one redone, Tanner Skate Park. So I got a call yesterday that they got the funding approved and they should be redoing the skate park in 2025. I've learned over the years, not a good idea to say the dates of things when you're doing stuff like this, because people hear it, they hold you to it, they want it to be done as fast as possible, but it's coming, and I've already said it a couple of times now, so it's in the works. I've learned a lot over these years of like what is just talk, what's not, and what happened was they raised the money, park was ready to be built, and then they put it out to bid, and it was more money than it was supposed to be. So then they had to raise more money the next year. So as bad, everyone wants it to be done immediately. These things take time. You got to get approvals. You're raising tons and tons of money. So you got to have leeway for the town sometimes, but I'm excited. There should be an article coming out tomorrow, my local newspaper, Newsday, on Thursday. And yeah, it's just cool because it's something I've been chipping away at for years and years and years. And I feel like it's like finally gonna come to fruition. So it's cool to see, cool to hear about. And it's kind of representative of my whole journey, just pushing and you don't see the results and you just keep doing it and like hoping for it to turn over. And it feels like it's like just around the corner. So it's it's cool to see. And yeah, I'm excited. Got a few new dates for the tour. What is it? Let's see. I'm gonna be in, I forget the name of the shop, forgive me. It's it's in Dothan. I'll put it all in the description. Maybe I'll pin a comment too of all the dates. But we're gonna be in Dothan, Alabama, and then we're gonna be in Houston, Texas on, Saturday, February 1st. So I'll put the dates, I'm a little more organized than how I'm saying it now. Put that in the description and I'll pin a comment. But it's starting to come together. That's another thing, work in progress, just kind of hopped on tour. Thought it was much easier to like plan these dates. It's a lot, and it's a lot of ups and downs. One day you got a good signing, a couple of days you got nothing set up. It's, it's a process, but all right, I'm done talking. Gonna do some skating now. Oh. This might be the most fun obstacle I've ever skated. Could skate this thing probably all day. What even was that? Piece of plastic. Oh. Oh yeah. Front 180s have always been a weakness of mine. Front blunts, front disasters, like I could do them, but just my 180s have never been that consistent. I'll take that. I think we can get a better one. Can I even get in there, Fakey? Guess so. All right, let's see if this thing blunt slides. Whoa. All right. All right, I want to try a 180 to fakie 5-0 off the end. Just not sure if I'm going to come off straight or 180. We'll see. Okay. You know, I already did one 180 out into the bank, so let's try to get it to fakie. Ah, was it? All right. Okay. Wow. I really should have face planted right there. All right. Hell yeah. I'm glad I pushed for that one because that felt so good. Whew. This thing, I could skate this all day long, maybe every single day, maybe the rest of my life. I just love the masonite on there, and the material, the coping, just everything about it is perfect. That was one of the funnest sessions I've had in a long time. All right, well, now that I'm dripping sweat, let me go sit in the car for 3 hours and head to CFL Skatepark. You know my seat's gonna be swampy. How's everything?
Good. I'm Becca.
Chad, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. I'm Jeff's wife. This is my daughter, Taylor.
Hi, nice to meet you. How are you?
She skates for Santa Cruz and Nike.
Really?
And Slappy, actually, too.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's awesome. You can come out there and skate?
Little guy Emmett over there. Emmett, say hi, Chad.
Nice to meet you.
My other guy's on the scooter right up there next to Jack.
I posted a video the other day when I was here, and everyone was like loving the handle.
That was a random spur of the moment. Door handle broke, and Jeff's like, skate truck. I'm like, all right, that works.
Everyone loves it.
I need the sauce on the blunt to fakie.
Blunt fakie? Mm-hmm. You got a manual order, and that's the secret. But it's scary learning because you usually slip out when you first try it. Can you blunt rock fakie?
Yeah, I'll show you.
Let me see. You got it.
My wife got me the book for Christmas because all I've been talking about.
Oh, really?
I mean, I think I was crying by page 5.
That's incredible. Thank you so
It
much.
was such an inspirational story, man.
Appreciate that.
I cannot.
Thank you. I put everything I have into that book.
And everything you had into making it across the country, man. Just amazing.
Thank you.
Just.
It means a lot. I appreciate you saying that.
So I said, man, I'm gonna keep it together when I meet this guy. I'm not gonna. Man, it was just so touching. Just so.
Thank you. I appreciate you coming out too.
It's just when when everybody feels about skating when they're here. It's just what you can't give it up. And it's there when you don't have anything else.
It's true.
You know.
It's true.
Some of my best days were when it was after a breakup or a really bad day, and I could just focus on only that, and it got me through any bad day. You know?
Exactly.
3 people I always thought I wanted to use in skating: Rodney, Tony, and you ended up. I mean,
I'm
it was
honored
like,
to be on that list, man.
oh
That's,
my God! And then you feel he's coming to Florida. And I'm like, he's in Orlando. I'm like, oh my God! Like, there's no way I cannot come out.
Wow, that's incredible. So how long have you been skating?
1985.
That's what, 30 years?
50, it'd be 57 in February.
Wow.
So it's definitely tapered off, you know.
That's longer. That's 40 years.
Yeah. Your story, Tony's forward. I already was like, oh boy, I'm in for this. This is gonna be a great read, but it's gonna be tugging at me, you know.
I'll take that. What's going on?
Hi, Jeff. How
Hey
are
there,
you?
what's going on?
Good.
Good to see you. Do you live down here?
No, my family's done.
That's what I asked.
I'm here like 2 weeks. I'll wait until Saturday. I have school. I go back home.
Oh, really? It's awesome. Tanner reunion. Can I get some clips of you?
Sure, why not?
All right, cool. Just let me know when you got an idea for something.
Something simple. Maybe like, I've been doing double flips. It shoots you right up.
Double flip?
Yeah.
All right, I'll film that.
So did we make the cut?
On the video.
For the video, I don't
You're in
know.
it right now.
Oh.
Like that.
Sick.
Yeah.
That's
awesome.
I've been skating for just like 6 years now.
6 years?
Yeah.
Hey, man, pleasure meeting you.
Awesome meeting you.
Thank you
Great
so
talking
much,
with
man.
you. Thanks for coming out.
Yes, absolutely.
Okay, guys, that's a wrap for today. Shout out to CFL Skatepark. Such great people there, and everyone was so nice. So much fun. It's just so hard for me to like try to film everything and, you know, talk with people, skate, like do everything. So the footage might come out a little sloppy, but really fun. And yeah, it doesn't matter if one person shows up to these things. It's just awesome to connect and meet people and skate with them. But yeah, that's it for me. I'll see you guys in the next video.